Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create a landing page in Hubspot. Whether you're new to Hubspot or just need a quick guide, you'll see how easy it is to get your page up and running. So first head over to your Hubspot dashboard, then navigate to content, then landing page. This is where you'll be able to create and manage all your landing pages. Next, just create a page, enter the website and the page name, and after that click create page button. Then you'll see a list of templates from the active theme. Hover over the template you like, click preview template or see how it looks. If you're happy with it, click select to proceed. In the content editor you can customize. You'll see a drag and drop interface that make editing simple. You can add modules like text, uh, images and forms to build your landing page, and you can also add, like, just drag them from the left sidebar to the right. Then you can easily customize everything, almost every element on the page. Now let me just scroll down. These are all the advanced options if you need, like protecting your page visibility, adding password, changing the language, and you can do a lot more, just like you would on any drag and drop page builder. So after that, you can like schedule a publish or publish immediately. You can set featured image, adjust page visibility, and customize advanced setting, like you can add custom code, set canonical tags, URLs, change the page styling, and more. Once, and you can also optimize it for SEO, like you can add more, you can on do some basic on-page SEOs on your page to make it easily reachable, searchable, easily visible on search engines. Now, before publishing, make sure you have everything correct. Preview it on the top right to see how it looks, and when everything is done, just click publish. You can also, like, this is the preview page link on mobile and etc. So this is very user friendly and the navigation is very smooth, and everything is designed in a way that a first timer will be able to easily grasp everything on the page. And that's all there is to it. By following the this article here, you can easily create and customize your pages in HubSpot.